Welcome to our video on maximizing your garden space. If you have a small garden or balcony, you know that space can be limited. But with the right approach, you can still create a thriving and productive garden. Planting vertically is one way to make the most of your space. And by incorporating permaculture principles, you can create a garden that is not only productive but also sustainable and in harmony with nature. Here are some key points to keep in mind when planting vertically with permaculture principles. Use companion planting, group plants that complement each other. For example, beans can grow up a trellis, while a lettuce grows at their feet, benefiting from the shade. This not only saves space but also promotes healthy growth and helps control pests naturally. Consider the orientation of your garden. Make sure that plants that need more sun are planted on the south-facing side of your trellis, while those that prefer more shade are planted on the north-facing side. Incorporate composting. Use compost to nourish your plants and build up the soil structure, creating a healthy environment for your plants to thrive. Composting is an integral part of permaculture gardening, as it helps recycle waste and reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers. Use natural pest control. Instead of using chemicals, encourage beneficial insects, like ladybugs, to control pests in your garden. You can also use companion plants, like marigolds, to naturally deter pests. Create microclimates. A vertical garden can help you create microclimates, or small areas with different growing conditions. For example, the base of a trellis might be cooler and shadier, while the top is sunnier. This allows you to grow a variety of plants in a compact space. By following these tips, you can create a beautiful and productive garden in even the smallest of spaces. Vertical gardening allows you to grow more in less space, and permaculture principles ensure that your garden is sustainable and low maintenance. So start planting vertically, and see for yourself the benefits of permaculture in action. Whether you have a small balcony or a large garden, you can create a beautiful and productive oasis, right in your own backyard. If you want me to create more videos about this style of gardening, please let me know.